Good morning. Today is, what is today? Tuesday, January 6th, for the first full week of trading of 2015. This is the E-Mini S&P 500 market, and what I'm going to do right now, even though we're kind of in a little range here, I believe we're going to pop higher and we're going to move up through the 2020 quarter. That's what I believe we're going to do. Let's just watch this a little bit here. The market's been open for about 20 minutes now, and the opening today was right there. So pretty much unchanged from yesterday, okay? Unchanged from yesterday. Kind of in a range. Have not been able to break down through this low, or we barely broke up through that high. Let's just crunch this chart a little more here. Let's do this so we can see a little bit more data. Okay, yesterday, as you recall, had a nice trade there. Market traded lower, okay? Traded below this 50 exponential moving average pretty much for the entire day. Kind of popped up. We've had a few breaks up through that 50 exponential moving average right in here, in here, in here. So we're getting higher highs, right? Higher high there, here, and here. And then this morning, barely took out that high right in here, came right back down, have not been able to take out this low. So I'm watching it very closely to see if the market can, in fact, move up through this level. I believe that we probably will move up through this high of 20 3/4, and I think we could run up to retest that 200 exponential moving average, but I believe, you know, the market was down, what, 331 points yesterday. This was the low of yesterday, right? I would expect the market in the first half hour to try to at least retest that low, okay? If the market can't, then I believe we're going to move higher. Now, short term, the market's extremely oversold. So I wouldn't put it past the market to stage a little rally in here. So I'm looking for it here to day trade a move to the upside. So I'm gonna create a small position right here, right now. I'm gonna get in and a couple ticks lower, 218. Let's see, 218 right there. 218 right there. So a little pullback, a couple ticks. I'm hoping the market can just move a little bit lower and get us filled at 218 even, like 218 3/4, 219 I think. Let's watch this. I'm going to pause it real quick. All right, as you can see, the market, it got filled. It nailed us. At 218 even, we're long at 218. I'm expecting the market to test, at least try to retest at 220 1/4. If we can start breaking up through that, I'll probably add a few contracts, looking for a little more of a run to the upside. Let's just see what we get here. Let's take the fibs from yesterday's high to yesterday's low to see logical levels where we would expect some type of resistance to come into play. The first level would be that 38.2% right here, 2021.5 roughly, which is right here. But first, we need to take out today's high. Okay, so that's what we're looking at real quick, closely here. So I'm going to pause the video again. All right, we are up to 19.5. We went up to 19.5 is where we've traded up to so far, along at 18 even. And again, looking for the retest of the high. I would have expected a move by now. So the high of the day is 20 1/4. 20 1/4. We're a point from that. Unable to do it. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take off 3, just right at the market. Okay. 3 at the market. Sell 3 at the market.
Order filled.
All right. So, and I've only got 2 left. So let's move this down to 2 and go Just go to break even. Give it back so the whole trade is break even. So you know what? Let's just exit this. This should have moved by now. And let's see.
Order filled.
All right, so small little trade. The market did not do what I was expecting, so it just made $75. Pretty much just a nothing trade. But again, I was right to act the way I did because, as you can see right now, the market was not able to take out this high. The market should have moved quicker. What I was anticipating was a nice burst to the upside, a move to the upside up through these highs. Market missed it by 75 cents. And as you can see, the market is down, right back down. I would suspect now the market's going to try to retest the low today, which is this white horizontal line here. All right. And then I would expect the market to retest yesterday's low. And then at that point, we want to see if the market's able to move further. Okay. So I hope that was somewhat helpful. If you got any questions, always either send me an email or hey, give me a call. I'm here. Okay. Have a great day. Hope that was helpful. You know what? I want to just flip real quick to crude oil. Real quick. Now, crude oil, I believe, could go probably to $40 to $43 a barrel. We cracked the $50 a barrel right here. Right in here, I was talking about possibly buying it, having the market rally back up into that blue action zone because of this extended move to the downside. We're moving even further away from that now. But I think the one important thing that you need to understand here is that the proprietary software that I use, the Trading Concept software, got us short way up in here. This gave us the signal to go short this market, okay? We had a couple really phenomenal opportunities to short this market as it rallied back into logical resistance. And as you can see, the market has trended beautifully for months now to the downside. And there's really no, I think the bottom here could be roughly between $40 to $43 a barrel, and that's obviously what's dragging the market down. And obviously with bonds moving to the upside like they have been, catching a lot of people off guard. As you can see with the software that I use, gave us a lot. I mean, look at the bars are green, the trend is up, and there are multiple opportunities to get long. Multiple opportunities. The last opportunity occurring on the 24th, Christmas Eve, as the market pulled back into the blue action zone, and we are up substantially. So hope that all helps. If you've got any questions, we're going to see if the market can, we're getting close to the low of today. Again, market failed at the high of the day, and I believe we're going to come down and retest today's low, possibly break down through that low, and let's see if we can challenge yesterday's low, okay? Have a great day. I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.